Welcome, dear friends, to Motivation Honor, where we dive together into a fascinating journey to discover the secrets of happiness. Today, we will set the tone for these mysteries that can transform your life. Because, let's admit it, happiness is what we all seek, isn't it? It's the guiding thread weaving the fabric of our lives, and understanding its nuances can be the key to a fulfilling existence. Before we venture further, let's clarify what we mean by secrets. Here, they are not hidden in the shadows, but rather often overlooked aspects, pearls of wisdom that can illuminate our path to happiness. Expect a deep exploration, a dive into ideas that could change your perspective on life. Happiness is much more than a fleeting emotion. It's a state of being, an art that many aspire to master. By understanding these secrets, we hope to reveal keys that will open the door to a more fulfilling life, filled with joy and satisfaction. If you've enjoyed the content, consider giving it a little love with a reaction, and maybe even a subtle tap on that subscribe button. Your support means the world and helps this community grow. Secret 1. The power of the present moment. Mindfulness of the present moment, an art that can fundamentally transform our life experience. Often, we are prisoners of our thoughts about the past or stressed about the future, neglecting the jewel that is in front of us, the present. Embracing the power of the present moment means being fully immersed in the instant, appreciating every breath, every sensation, and finding beauty in the simplicity of the moment. Stoic philosophy offers valuable teachings on how to stay grounded in the present, thereby releasing the burden of past regrets and future worries. Get ready to discover practical practices to integrate this powerful philosophy into your daily life, as mastering the art of the present moment can be the key to a more fulfilling existence. Secret 2. The strength of inner silence. In this second secret, we delve deeper into the power of inner silence, which is not simply the absence of noise but rather a quiet force that resides deep within ourselves. Cultivating inner silence is like creating a mental sanctuary, an oasis of calm amidst daily turmoil. This inner strength, once mastered, can be your ally in moments of turbulence. We will now explore practical techniques to soothe the mind and cultivate inner silence. From deep breathing exercises to meditative approaches, you will discover tangible tools to calm the incessant flow of thoughts and find inner tranquility. These techniques, drawn from different contemplative traditions, will provide you with tangible ways to integrate inner silence into your daily life. Get ready to embrace this often neglected force within you, as it can be the key to a strong, resilient, and balanced mind. Secret 3. The art of perseverance. Life is not always easy. It confronts us with challenges, trials that sometimes seem insurmountable. And that's where you must cultivate unwavering determination. Imagine yourself standing at the top of the mountain after climbing every obstacle, every rocky terrain. That's the art of perseverance. You are not simply fighting against difficulties, you are transforming them into stairs to success. Take a moment to think about your toughest moments. How did you react? You persevered, didn't you? You tapped into that inner strength that everyone possesses but few fully know how to exploit. Today, I want you to understand that every challenge is a disguised opportunity. You have the power to change your perspective. Tough times are not stops, they are turns. Perseverance is what allows you to stay on the path, even when everything seems to be crumbling around you. And look around you. There are so many inspiring examples of famous people who faced challenges, confronted adversity, and ultimately triumphed. You have that same strength within you. You can face life's challenges with courage, turn them into opportunities for growth, and emerge stronger every time. As challenging as it may seem sometimes, perseverance can become your most loyal ally. It's time to change your view of challenges and welcome them as chances to grow. So, embrace the art of perseverance, triumph with grace, and remember, you have the strength to overcome anything that comes your way. Stay strong, stay determined, and persevere. Life still holds so many peaks to reach, and you have everything it takes to conquer them. Secret 4. The beauty of simplicity. Modern life can be tumultuous, complex, with incessant demands. But at the heart of this turmoil, there is a refuge: simplicity. How can we let beauty shine in the simple aspects of our daily lives? That's what we'll discover together. Imagine a Zen garden, each element chosen with care, each stone, each blade of grass, contributing to a soothing aesthetic. Similarly, you can shape your life to reflect beauty in simplicity. This does not mean abandoning ambition, but rather eliminating the superfluous to make room for the essential. We will explore how simplifying your life can be a liberating endeavor. From decorating your space to managing your schedule, we will address practical strategies to embrace simplicity. You will discover how this can lighten your mind, create space for joy, and allow you to savor the often overlooked beauty of the present moment. So, get ready to explore beauty and simplicity, to simplify your life for a happier state of mind. Secret 5. The joy of personal growth. The joy of personal growth. Together, we will explore how each step of your development journey can be a source of deep joy. Personal growth, often perceived as a challenge, can, in reality, be an exhilarating adventure. Imagine every effort you invest in your own improvement as a seed planted in the fertile soil of your inner being. This seed sprouts, grows, and each step is a celebration of your flourishing. The joy of personal growth lies in the constant awareness of your limitless potential. We will explore how embracing this potential can bring lasting joy. Practical motivation tips will be shared, guiding you on the path of continuous improvement. We live in a constantly changing world, and your personal growth is the key to navigating through these changes with grace and confidence. Let's dive together into the joy of personal growth, discovering how every small step forward is a victory. Stoic mindset. Understanding Stoicism. Stoicism, more than just a philosophy, is a way of life that aims for inner fulfillment through wisdom and self-mastery. We will delve into the foundations of Stoicism, understanding its essential principles that can be valuable guides in our daily lives. The first Stoic principle we will explore is acceptance. The ability to accept what we cannot control is the key to a peaceful life. How can we apply this wisdom to our busy modern lives? That's what we'll discover together. Another important aspect of Stoicism is the pursuit of virtue. How can we live a life in accordance with our highest principles, even in a complex and sometimes chaotic world? We will address practical strategies to integrate Stoic virtue into our daily actions. Prepare for an educational journey that will allow you to grasp the teachings of Stoicism and apply them tangibly in your modern life. Stay with me to explore these key principles, as Stoic wisdom can be a valuable compass in our quest for inner happiness. See you soon for the continuation of this educational exploration of Stoicism. How can we apply this wisdom to our busy modern lives? In our often hectic modern lives, applying Stoic wisdom can be a lifesaver. The fundamental principle here is accepting what we cannot change. Modern life is filled with unforeseen events, stress, and uncertainties. Rather than fighting against these realities, Stoicism teaches us to accept them. Imagine traffic, a common occurrence in our lives. Instead of letting frustration set in, Stoic wisdom suggests recognizing that traffic is beyond our control. We can use this time to listen to an inspiring podcast, meditate, or simply enjoy the present moment. By accepting what we cannot change, we free up precious energy to focus on what we can influence. Integrating Stoic virtue into our daily actions requires a deliberate approach. Stoic virtue involves qualities such as wisdom, justice, temperance, and courage. Here are some practical strategies to embody these virtues daily. Practice wisdom. Take time each day to reflect on your actions, decisions, and their implications. Cultivate justice. Seek opportunities to be fair and kind to others. Engage in actions that promote fairness and social justice. Exercise temperance. Be aware of excesses and seek balance in all facets of your life. Manifest courage. Identify areas of your life where you can manifest courage. By consciously integrating these strategies into your daily life, you will move closer to the daily practice of Stoic virtues. It's a continuous path of self-improvement aligned with the deep principles of Stoicism. Navigating life's crossroads. Let's get straight to the point. Life is a series of choices, some tiny, others monumental. These choices define our trajectory and directly influence our happiness. Imagine each decision as a crossroad, where the directions we choose determine our destination. Navigating life's crossroads is not just an intellectual exercise. It's a profound exploration of who we are, our aspirations, and our values. Choosing the right path can be the guiding thread that weaves happiness into our daily lives. Take a concrete example: your career. At each step, you are faced with choices. Stay in your current job, explore new opportunities, or perhaps venture into something completely different. Each option has implications for your well-being and satisfaction. You have embarked on a fascinating journey through the secrets of happiness and Stoic wisdom. Understanding yourself, practicing gratitude, cultivating meaningful relationships, embracing the present, and navigating crossroads with wisdom are steps toward a more fulfilling life. Remember, happiness is not a destination, but a continuous journey. Every day is an opportunity to grow, learn, and embrace the beauty of life. Be your own motivational life coach. Encourage yourself to persevere in the pursuit of happiness. I want to express my deep gratitude for your commitment throughout this exploration. Your quest for happiness is an inspiration. Thank you for being part of this community dedicated to personal growth and well-being. Keep exploring, learning, and above all, cultivate joy in every moment. Together, let's create lives filled with happiness and meaning. Thank you again, and I wish you all the happiness life has to offer. See you soon for new, inspiring adventures.